Hi, hello, namaste all. Welcome to Dairy Souls. Hope you all are fine and doing well with everything. So today we have one eminent person, Deepak Saini from Delhi, director at Master Learning Classes. He is striving to enhance students' learning ability by different techniques through his Master Learning Classes. So without any late, let's welcome him and know more about him and Master Learning Classes. Sir, welcome, sir. Thank you so much. I am so delighted to have you here with us. And thank you so much for believing in and accepting to share your story with Dairy Souls. Thank you and
Uh,
welcome, sir.
it's my pleasure, Swami, to interacting with you and Dairy Souls. I'm happy to be your
Thank you,
first
sir.
client.
Yeah, I am so excited to be talking with you.
Yes, thanks, Swami. It's my pleasure to be your guest and the first guest actually on the team Dairy Souls.
It's my pleasure, sir. Actually, I am so happy that you accepted to share your story. So, how are you, sir? How is everything going around you in this lockdown?
Everything is going good. Yeah, we have upgraded ourselves. We were not providing previously online classes, but we have started the online classes too. With
Okay,
our students, or we have reached in different localities, different states, different
okay.
countries also.
So, to begin with, can we know something about yourself, sir?
Yes, yes,
About
sure.
your background, about your educational background, and all those
So,
things.
yes,
Yeah.
I have done MBA from IBS Gurgaon, right? ICFI Public School Gurgaon, in marketing and finance.
Okay.
From there on, I have a 2 year job profile in an MNC as an marketing head and sales manager, right? Different
Okay.
profiles.
Okay.
Soon after, I realized that I have been into this job just due to my MBA, and I need to do something big for the society. So I
Okay.
left my job and entered into this field of brain development by searching a lot on a few things on internet. Then I realized that this is one of the field in education that is yet unexplored and could be a good market for us to capture it. So this is how the master learning story got started. So we started different brain development programs. So we have tied with many companies across the world, right? Which provide us different platforms. We have learning from them from quite a long time, but from the last 3 years, master learning has been going up through his own concepts of brain development,
Okay. Okay.
because we have seen that the concepts were totally we can talk about the Western culture type, right? They were not particularly suited for the Indian society. So what we have done is we have taken their program and we have customized it according to the Indian culture, Indian
Indian.
society.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir.
Right. So when we talk about the master learning, we are basically a brain development company,
Oh yeah, brain. Yes, sir. I heard that.
right? So when we talk about the brain development, we just talk about a complete brain. So when we talk nowadays, we see that students are facing many problems in attention, concentration, sitting at home, doing some work
Yes.
quietly, phone
Yeah.
addiction, work incomplete,
Yes,
many
right.
complaints from school. Right. So we work on these parameters basically. So we have designed certain programs that help students to improve their attention, concentration, their memory. They're developing the complete verticals of the brain, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, what inspired you most to enter into master learning? I mean, after you quit job and you entered into education sector, what inspired you to be get into education sector?
See, I have been to few seminars during my job, right, where I've been attending new events where new products have shown and everything like franchisee expo or the franchisee models. When
Okay.
right, so
Okay.
then I've got the concept. Yeah, this is a new concept, and many people not in Delhi are doing it. There were a couple of them, right? So I didn't need to get into the market and start my master learning. But as soon as we started, we faced many hurdles into it. People were
Oh,
not aware. Awareness was the major problem.
actually, your background is marketing and finance, and you're
Yeah.
dealing with brain development like scientific approach, and you're dealing with the children's psychology and all those things. So
Mhm.
how did you get into that, and how did you prepare for that?
See, that's why that's what I was saying earlier, that I got into this field just to make my curiosity that I want to get into this business, right?
Okay,
This was
okay,
not something that I have to do it. Yeah, I have to do. Just it was my curiosity that I don't want to do a job. I want to do a business.
okay.
Right. So I entered that field. As soon as I entered, I get to know that there are many challenges and hurdles that has been facing by us or our team.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what we started is we started doing researches, we started doing learning, we started
Yeah.
training ourselves. So I'm being a mental fitness trainer, right?
Yeah.
That
Yeah. Yeah.
means a brain trainer.
Yes. Yes.
So we have got certain certifications from Malaysia, other
Okay.
countries as well.
Oh, great, sir.
So what we do is we first do dermatographics study, right?
Yeah.
Dermatographics is basically a fingerprints. So we analyze a child's fingerprints, and based upon that, there is a report that comes out that gives a brief detail about our brain and its lobes and the different parts, what is the strongest, weakest, and everything. So based upon those things, we design a particular curriculum for a child. So when we talk about the brain parts, we basically major focus on five lobes of brain, right? Occipital, parietal,
Okay.
frontal, and so on.
Okay.
So each brain is divided into two parts, left and right.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So when we take the fingerprints, we take 10 prints of
Okay.
each finger, right? One, two,
Okay.
three. We have five
Yes.
fingers, and they each are connected to our five lobes.
Yes, sir.
And when the reports comes out, we find out that what's the characteristics of a child, their learning capability, their career interest, how we can build up a relationship, everything.
Yes, sir.
So it's a detailed analysis done by a psychological counselor and us.
Okay.
And after that, we design a particular curriculum for a child. For example, if the child logic is low,
Okay.
then then we tell the parents to join into the robotics club, Rubik's cube club, or abacus, any,
Okay.
for that these calculations or the logical ability gets improved, and so on. We have
So I'm so
10
excited.
parameters 10 parameters to it.
I'm so excited to watch your couple of videos in your YouTube channel. I was just feel like it's like a magic. It's not magic, I think so. I know that. But how it works are blindfold activities. Some blindfold activities you uploaded in your YouTube channel. So
Yeah,
how
it's
it
it's
actually works?
it's basically the activity is blindfold, right? But the main reason
Yes.
is to develop a child's brain, to increase his focus, concentration, attention power.
They are closing their eyes and telling that matching that correctly. How it's happening?
Yeah, it's happening just to the sensory enhancement. What we are doing is we are perceiving the students through visualization process and a music therapy, alpha
Okay.
brainwave music, right? It's a music therapy, and we have complete procedure to that. We conduct various workshops and follow-ups with the child so that to enhance their senses. Eyes is the only sense without hurt we can block, right? So that's why
Okay.
students are doing these activities. And
Okay. Fine.
there are many videos which show that students are also doing without blindfold activities. They have placed cards on the table, or they're doing
Yes.
different
Yes.
pouch activities. So that shows that they are concentrating, their attention power has increased, and so on. There are many benefits in the long run. But to show the
Okay.
parents that we are doing something with the child, but we are teaching them mindful activities. But the main reason behind is to develop a child's brain.
Okay. When did this actually master learning started, sir? I think
It
so.
started
2015.
5 years back.
I saw first post in your page in 2016,
Yeah, yeah.
and
It's almost.
it's been so long time and many years. So how is the things going around the master learning?
There has been many ups and downs.
Yeah.
We have started as a 4 member team, but gradually all the partners have gone and we were just a 1 member team. And then again we have started our part into different fields, like we have entered into special education, we have entered into different other fields as well, so that when parents approached us, my child is hyperactive or he has some learning difficulty issues, so he has poor concentration, sitting, and attention memories. So we
Yeah,
have
great to hear that, sir.
specialized teams of educators with us who works day and night with these children and help them to be a better person. So when we talk about me, I have gone through that assessment of dermatographics evaluation analysis,
Yes,
right?
sir. DMT.
So DMIT, you can say that.
Yes, yes, yes.
So based upon those analysis, what they have told my career interest would be in the education and in the field of education itself. So there am I. I'm doing my best to serve the people and doing my best.
Yeah, that's great, sir. I'm very happy that you are helping students, so many students. Actually, when you about to start this after quitting the job, when you're about to start master learning and when you're about to take the step, did you get any oppositions like from your family or that you can't do it or it's not a good idea or it won't work out? Did you hear any comments like this, negative comments?
No, no, no. Actually, my family is very supported,
Okay.
and on the other hand, I'm belongs to a business family. My father
Oh,
is doing
oh,
business. All my
yeah,
cousins and
okay,
relatives are doing business. So
okay, okay, great.
during my studies, I've made my mind that I want to pursue my life in business or do something self independently.
So in this lockdown, you try to conduct many workshops, online workshops, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
how far it has been done, sir? I mean, how many students were engaged in your online classes?
See, there are many students are engaged. Currently, we are engaging somewhere around 20 students with us in the
Oh,
lockdown,
okay,
right? Who are learning different types of courses. Some are learning Rubik's cube, some are learning maths magic, some are working on their brain development,
okay,
some are working on their personality, and so on. So
okay.
there are different skills a student works on these things.
So you said that some disturbances came in your team. So how would you suggest to the young entrepreneurs that how to manage team effectively so that they can't face that what you faced, what are the challenges you faced? They should not face like that.
See, when we talk about the team management, that most important part is a belief
Belief.
and
Okay.
giving a person a responsibility that they can manage. If someone person is not good in
Okay.
the analysis part or doing the maintaining the books or records, and you giving them maintaining those things, so he would not work in an efficient manner. And giving a person who's good in marketing and you're giving them a sitting job, so he'll not do or work on his full potential. So first you need to, when you are making a team or developing a team, you need to see the potential of that person, in which role he is best suited in, and then define your team.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly. I
So
agree with you, sir.
when we talk about the startups falling around here and though, there are some uh, disturbances in the team or doing something like that. So there are difference of opinions and views. So
Yes,
first you
sir.
need to clear those things, because we know the startup doesn't make good revenue or on a daily living life or basic income. When you say the profit in the first
Yes,
year,
sir.
they
Yes, sir.
take some time to get into the profitability.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
we should stick to that note. We should not focus on the profitability in the first year or the second year. That was the biggest mistake our team has done.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what we have done is we survived that 2 3 years tough period, and now see we have a good market for us.
You are building profits right now.
Yes. We have started escalating ourselves. We are on an expansion mode. We have already tie-ups with 5 to 6 centers across Delhi NCR, and when the lockdown is over, we would be expanding ourselves more beyond
So,
Delhi NCR.
so this beyond Delhi and to other states also, you are planning to expand, right?
Yes, first our main focus on the Delhi NCR region. When
Okay.
we are going to plan our base in Delhi NCR first, and then we are going to expand to other states.
So you have to conduct many workshops in different schools. So how did you able to convince the school managements? They have to give time to you to conduct workshops, right? So how did you able
Yeah.
to convince the school managements or school principals? So how did you able to convince them?
See, it was a very difficult task for us.
Yeah, that's what. Actually, they have to convince
Sending
first.
emails, sending
Yeah.
emails, getting on calls with them, and then taking an appointment, and then waiting for few hours or minutes, and then presenting us, then saying that we'll get back to you, and then taking follow-ups. It's it's a hard task unless and until you get a good connect with the school management or the principal.
Yes, that's the big task, right?
Yeah. So we have faced many challenges when approaching the schools. So what we have done is now we have started approaching the societies or the RWAs. So
Okay.
it's one of the easiest tasks for us to reach the societies, corporations, or the RWAs, where we give them a time and a place or to all the RWA residents to come and meet us and discuss their problems with their children or with themselves in terms of counselings, behavior, anything.
How are the children behaving, being in master learning? How they are being in your classes?
See, I explained it earlier also. Like every child is different, right? They
Yes,
have their own capabilities. What
yes.
we do is we evaluate them and we bring out the best in them.
Okay. So
So
they are
to
enjoying being in.
participants and
So they,
yeah.
yeah.
They enjoy being with us. Many parents have called us in the lockdown, so we actually conduct one-on-one classes and
Okay.
group classes done on the weekends.
Okay.
So parents are saying to start up as soon as possible, as students are bit worrying about the parents that they are getting bored at home and they need to get out of it.
So as of now, how
And
many of you in your team, sir?
see, we have a 10-member team with us
10 members.
that
Great.
consists of me, my wife, who's in psychological counselor, right?
Okay.
And we have a team of special educators, personality development trainers,
Okay.
grooming, and everything. So we have a good amount of team and connections with us, so that when a parent approaches us for a certain problem and an issue, we make sure that we address it.
Actually, now you had got a good team, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Actually, this yours is second thing after to school, right?
yes, yes,
So how
yes.
do you think that parents will accept will accept you also after this corona, after this crisis? Actually, the economical crisis is under, right? So do you think that they will ready to send their children to you like second institution after they besides their school? So how do you take them?
See, what we have to do is we have to start from the scratch, right?
Yeah.
We need to make sure that all the guidelines that the center and the state has given to us, we follow them.
Okay.
We need to give a certain assurance to the parents, right? See, we are doing these things so that your child is safe with us, and we have gone through all the procedures and the guidelines given to us, and your child will be safe. So we can give a parent assurance. We run a live facility, right?
Okay.
Our facility
Okay.
CCTV governed, so we can show the parents that we are not conducting initially group classes, right? There's a
Okay.
proper distance maintained, everything.
So with how many schools you coped up with?
See, we have not worked with many schools, right? We
Okay.
have worked with 4 to 5 schools, but yes, we have worked with many RWAs, societies, corporations, and the counties, right? So where we have a good number of families with us attending our seminars and discussing their problems with us.
Yeah. If I ask you for a suggestion for an young entrepreneur, what would you give the best suggestion?
See, don't when you have thought of entering into an industry, you should search at its best. Spend time searching it, talking to the customers, talking to the consumers, so that you get a good positive view of the thing that you are launching into the market. For
Yeah.
example, if you are getting into a new field, then
Yeah.
first you need to search about the competition, the level of understanding a person has in it. You
What
need
is
to
that? That is
get out of the
market
office.
market
Yeah,
research,
you
right?
market
Yeah.
research is one of the most important thing a person should do.
Yes. Yes. So Mastro learning, is it affordable to all economical classes or only one class?
No,
It is
all we cater to all classes.
all classes.
Yeah, upper, middle, lower, every. So
So
we have
what?
different programs depending upon our parents' budget, or also depending on the parents' economical value.
So besides this master learning, are you working with any other, sir? I mean, are you engaged in any other job besides this
No,
master?
no. I'm not engaged in any other thing. But yes, we are doing researches on how a brain develops, right, in mother's womb. So we are working on new concepts like pregnancy applications and after schools program, where we
Okay.
would be doing all the physical activities as well as the academical activities with the child.
Okay. So how are you
So
planning to expand your the master learning classes after this corona? Did you get any strategy?
see, we are working on it. We have made couple of proposals after do research, right? Looking at
Okay.
our competitors and everything. But yes, we are still in the planning stage. We would be our plan has to roll out those things in April, but due to Corona, it had been delayed, and we have to see when the market gets going into the normal phase. Then only we can uh, look for expansion.
Okay.
After our institutes gets open or the institutions gets open, first we need to see that our currently working clients, we
Okay.
get them back.
Okay. Okay. Great, sir. So you are looking forward to expand your business more after corona, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Would you like to add any other points about master learning classes?
See, what we do is we explore the hidden potential of a child.
Okay. So you are
What
working with the
parents,
hidden talents of children. That's great.
yes, we are identifying them, exploring them, and we are telling the parents. So what today in the world what parents do is उनका बच्चा आर्ट क्लासेस में जा रहा है तो चलो इसको भी आर्ट क्लासेस में डाल देते हैं. कभी they are trying to get into the skating, seeing that
Okay.
there are many
Yes.
people who are doing the skating, let my child go into the skating. Every summer or every winter season they are switching their child's interest and hobbies depending upon the market scenarios.
Besides,
So
you
what
deal
we
with, yeah.
so what we suggest to the parent is uh, do a complete brain analysis of a child and work on their core interest and areas so that their career, their everything gets into a good track
Okay.
at an early stage.
So besides you deal with children, you also give counselings to teachers and parents also, right? So
Yes, to adults also. We have a corporate structure also with us
okay.
where we are doing conducting mental wellness workshops through that their stress, anxiety, behavior, corporate culture, everything gets sorted out, right? How to
Okay.
manage stress, everything, and also to the corporate events what we are conducting is with various workshops. For example, telepathy workshop.
Okay.
So it's get to know the person better who are sitting next to you.
Okay. Great.
This workshop is mainly for couples, right?
Okay.
So they get to know them better and understand them better.
So, anything else you want to give to parents that you want to say to parents, especially in this lockdown, how to treat their children and how to improve their children learning ability in this? Actually, academic calendar is also changing, right? So they are facing
Yes.
many parents are facing trouble. So, how what do you say? What do you suggest them to look after their children in this pandemic?
Don't what I say is don't push them. Don't push your child so much into the phones or laptops or electronic gadgets. So they have a complete habit of doing so when the epidemic or lockdown is over.
So, what do you think? The skills are soft skills are important besides regular subjects. Actually, the schools, many schools, what I observed is many schools are concentrating only on marks, teaching regular subjects like math, science, social. They are not concentrating on soft skills.
See, extracurricular activity is very important nowadays.
Yes.
Managing soft skills, building a personal personality, or engaging student into a physical sports. This
Yes.
has been a challenge for a society now.
Yes.
But
Yes.
parents are focusing just on studies. They're not focusing on the physical fitness of a child.
Okay.
What my suggestion is to a parent that find a center or an institute that provides you both the things:
Yeah. Both the things.
physical fitness, physical fitness as well as mental fitness.
Yes.
Build your child physical as well as mental fitness.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
so
Exactly.
that in the long run, they give you good benefits. It's just not that studies would help your child a bit in learning, but when we talk about a future, the child must have gone through an all-round development.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
That's the need of the hour today.
So
So
next,
by looking
what?
by looking at this scenario itself, we are also launching a complete facility where would be dealing with the child's academics, their
Wow.
indoor activities, outdoor activities, a proper healthy break, everything. So we
Wow.
would be launching it when the lockdown is over, I guess.
Wow, great, sir. Wow, very great. So, how do you think when you approach to parents about master learning classes, how they take you?
See, they take us in a very positive manner, right? I have many feedbacks from the parents, or if I go to give a seminar or a lecture in a school or in a society, parents say, yeah, your concept is good. You are taking all those things into a single platform for my child. But yes, they take it as well that studies are also important.
Okay, yes,
My child is busy. See, what in Delhi, what is this? The school gets over at 2:30, right? Students
yes,
reaches
yes,
home at
yes.
3:30. They
That's the
take
problem.
their lunch, they take a break. So it's 4:30, 5 o'clock. Then they go
Yes,
for
sir.
their tuitions or other classes,
Yes, sir.
right? So it's 6 and 7. The child needs to play with their friends in the society or in the neighborhood, right? So then they have to do their school homework and the whole day like
Yes,
completes
sir.
like. So it's very difficult for a child also to manage his schedule.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So to get all those things and to get a child trained professionally, you have to do certain things. You
Yes,
have to
actually,
manage.
they
You
have to
have to
manage
manage
both.
their schedule.
They have to manage both. They have to engage in schools and they have to engage in your activities also.
Yeah, so that's the only point. So what we are doing is we have been providing all the academic support as well as the co-curricular activity support as well as the physical fitness support now to the parents.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly.
So it's just a complete one-stop solution for us for the parents. If the
Yes.
parents have come us, they found us that we are providing these things in a certain time period, and It's a result guarantee stock.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it's all about master learning. So would you like to add more points about master learning that I may miss something?
See, it's an endless topic. When you talk about master learning
Yes, yes, yes.
is something like a
Many.
baby for us that
Yes.
has grown up to a certain
Oh,
parameters. Right
oh,
now, we have to take that parameter to a new level. So
yes,
in this lockdown, what we are doing is we are gathering our thoughts. We are taking into the consideration the epidemic that has closed us and delayed our things. So now what we are doing is we are planning. So how? Like I've told you earlier that we have started our online education.
yes, sir. Yes,
That
sir.
we have not. That's a new thing that we have introduced. So
Okay.
yes, epidemic has always taught us something. Don't take it in a negative manner. Take it as a
Okay.
positive.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Spend some time with the family, not just to engage yourself in the electronic gadgets or something like that.
Sir, one
Spend
final
some time.
question for you is: have you ever got demotivated and have you ever thought to quit this master learning when you face hardships?
Yes, many times.
You thought to quit, right? Then
Yeah,
how did you back again?
see, the biggest support and strength is my wife to me right now.
Wow, great.
What she has done is has supported me. She has joined my team now from the
Okay,
last couple of years. She is with me and
great, sir.
she has supported me, right? And there is when we talk about a backbone, it's
Hmm.
my family. There was
Wow,
no family pressure upon me.
very great, sir.
So
Good to
when we
hear
talk
that.
about my wife has supported me in a business and my family has supported me in other things.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that is one of the most positive thing you can say that I have, and taking all this positive energy from them. I had thought never to give up and work hard and hard to get a good platform for Master Learn.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is all the story about master learning and about you. And very great to talk with you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. My pleasure, sir. It's been nice talking to you also.
And thank you so much, sir. Had a great talk with you. And Dairy Souls wish master learning reach great heights and helps many more students, parents, and teachers as well.
Thank you. Thank you
And you
so
have
much.
to give a second chance to talk with you, and you have to share your journey after this corona, after 2 3 months after your expansion. So you have to give us second chance to share your diary with us.
Sure, sure. I will definitely speak to you again after you can say couple of months.
Yeah.
Right, we can set a deadline I also so that it would be
Yeah, you have
good
to
for
share.
us and our team.
Yeah,
Good for us
so
and our team so that we have couple of months or 3 months to show them that we have reached new heights during
yeah,
the epidemic
yeah, I
and
have
after
to
the
see you reaching very great heights.
Mhm.
So today you shared your story from your past to till now. So when we meet next time, you have to share from now to till then. Like how did you expand your business, or how did you engage with parents and children and all those things.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So
Yeah,
you would be seeing many updates coming up at our page regularly from the starting of June.
yeah. Happy to see you all those things, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So thank you so much, sir, and thank you for being with us, and thank you for sharing your views and yeah, all the things. And I learned some new things about talking with you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, thank you. So my pleasure too. Thank you.
And can you say one word about Dairy Souls?
See, it was a nice interaction with you. I
Yeah.
I have not seen that it was your first interview. See,
Okay.
you are so confident speaking to me and Dairy Souls. I wish them to reach new heights.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. With all your support and blessings.
My pleasure, sir. My pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, sir, and keep
Thank
home.
you, sir. Thank you.
Stay home and stay safe. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.